Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a viral weight loss trend that's exploding all over Facebook and Instagram. It's called the pink salt plus ice recipe, and it's being paired with a supplement called Lipo Burn. Sound familiar? Because these so-called miracle weight loss hacks are everywhere right now. But are they legit? Or just another scam targeting desperate consumers? Let's break it down. So the claim is this: combine pink salt with ice, pop a Lipo Burn pill, and boom, you start melting fat, even while eating junk food. Some ads say you'll see massive weight loss in 21 days without changing anything. They even show fake Oprah Winfrey endorsements, people with overnight body transformations, and testimonials that feel way too good to be true. Cue screenshots of ads, false claims, fake celebrity clips. But here's the truth: these are classic red flags for scammy diet fads. There's no scientific research, no FDA approval, and zero real studies linking this combo to weight loss. The testimonials? Most are unverified. And those countdown timers and limited time offers? Pure pressure tactics. When you click on these ads, you're taken to websites that look like legit health blogs, but they're just flashy shells. They use vague scientific language without actual links to studies and bury important details in images or fine print. Worse, these shady sites often lead to third-party checkout platforms where people have reported hidden charges, unauthorized upsells, and a nightmare refund process. They're using urgency, flashy discounts, and fake FDA-registered badges to make you act fast before you think. This isn't about helping people lose weight, it's about preying on our desire for quick fixes. If a product says you can burn fat while eating pizza and drinking hot chocolate with no effort at all, it's selling you a fantasy, not a solution. Cut to clip or visual of trusted health site or expert quote. Real weight loss comes from a balanced diet, regular activity, and support from professionals. No pill or salt trick can replace that. So before you buy into the pink salt plus ice or Lipo Burn hype, think twice. Protect your health and your wallet. These scams thrive on hope, but they deliver disappointment. Have you seen these ads? Almost fell for it? Drop your experience in the comments. Let's help each other avoid getting scammed. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this.